Let's see how to make a text gradient color. So this is my text layer. I'm selecting the text layer and clicking on FX, opening blending options. In here, click on gradient overlay and click on gradient. And here you will find bunch of different gradient folders. You can go ahead and select any of them just like this. Or if you want to create a custom gradient color, then just select the basic and select this basic option, and here click on the first color and go ahead and select your first gradient color. To add another color, click here, and now you can select a different color just like this. And the same way you can add multiple colors, and you can adjust opacity just like this. Once you're happy, click on OK. And here you can angle your gradient color just like this. You can also adjust opacity, and you can also play with scale. Then click on OK. And here we have our gradient text.